Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, power lift gate, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.